Hi everyone. I'm from Cloud Analogy, working as a Salesforce consultant for last 3 to 4 years. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a project which I have completed in last few days. Before telling you about the project, I would like to tell you about our company, Cloud Analogy. Our company with workforce of over 60 plus employees works on Salesforce services, integration with third-party tools, data migration under Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We have completed over 400 plus projects, and I am also feeling proud to announce that our company, Cloud Analogy, is a member of Pledge 1%. And we also have several apps of App Exchange like Pintags, Task and Notes, Drag and Drop, Multi-Utility. So here is a video of our Marketing Cloud. So in this video, there was a requirement of a client that we have to sync the data from Salesforce Services Cloud to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So for achieving this, I firstly integrated the Salesforce Service Cloud with the Marketing Cloud, and after that, with the help of Contact Builder, the Audience Builder, I have synced the object record from Salesforce Service Cloud to the Marketing Cloud. So let me show you how it was possible. Firstly, I integrated my Salesforce Service Cloud in the Marketing Cloud. And let me show you. In the apps, Salesforce integration, and here we'll be seeing that the Salesforce Service Cloud is connected with Marketing Cloud. You can see Salesforce system user is this and Salesforce org ID is this, and connection is successfully connected. So after making a successful connection between Salesforce Service Cloud and Marketing Cloud, after that we can go to the Contact Builder and we can go to data sources, and after that synchronized subject, and you can see that it is the Salesforce Service Cloud which I have connected in the Marketing Cloud. And initially the client requires that we have to sync the contact records from Salesforce to the Marketing Cloud. So I have synced contact records, and if we want to sync any object record, we can also sync from Salesforce to Marketing Cloud. And by selecting it, we can see the overview like how much records are there and what is the object name, and there is a filter which we have applied. So we have applied this filter, and this is scheduled after every 15 minutes. And if we want to see the records, then we have to go to the data extensions, synchronize data extension, and here is this contact Salesforce. So here you can see that these are number of records like 33,42,048 only, and these are the fields which are synced from Salesforce to Marketing Cloud. And this is all about our overview. And from selecting records tab, you will again select the records. Then how many records are there? As you can see the list of records and their details, and by scrolling here you can see the details of these other field names. and this is the contact ID. So this was all about data extensions in the Marketing Cloud. For this, we have created some different journey builders, like I can show you. So here are different journeys that we have created, and here you can see what I have created. Here is the data extension, and in this I have used object which I have sealed from the Salesforce to Marketing Cloud. You can see the late Salesforce, and here is the record count, and here is the criteria, and according to it I have a schedule like this. It will be repeated only one time or every hour and is never ending. And here you can see that I have grouped this email I have tested, and here you can see the mail has been sent to one. You can see the status like sent one, and here is the grade by delay and bid by duration also. Thanks.